Hello everyone, welcome to this video from Astral Tech. I hope you enjoy this video. Just before watching the video, your like, comment and subscription will help us a lot for better activities. Thank you for your support. Let's go watch the video.
Popular AI tools of recent times. In the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence, several tools have gained massive popularity due to their ease of use, wide-ranging applications, and cutting-edge technologies. These AI tools have revolutionized various industries, including marketing, design, content creation, and productivity, making them invaluable assets for individuals and businesses alike. Here's an overview of some of the most talked about AI tools in recent times. 1. ChatGPT. OpenAI. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is an advanced conversational AI that has garnered significant attention across various domains, from customer service to content creation. This tool is based on the GPT-4 architecture, which allows it to understand and generate human-like text based on the prompts it receives. It's used for writing articles, essays, or scripts, assisting in coding and debugging, providing customer support in chatbots, brainstorming and generating creative ideas, answering queries across a broad range of topics. Chat's versatility has made it a go-to tool for those seeking AI-powered assistance in both professional and creative settings. 2. Canva with AI. Canva, the popular design platform, has incorporated artificial intelligence into its suite of tools, making it easier for users to create visually appealing graphics with minimal effort. Its AI features include Magic Write, an AI-powered writing assistant for creating content for social media posts, blog posts, and more. Background Remover, an AI tool that automatically removes backgrounds from images, saving hours of manual editing. Design Suggestions. Canva's AI can also suggest templates, layouts, and design elements based on the type of content you're working on, helping you to create professional designs effortlessly. Canva has become a go-to platform for both professional designers and amateurs alike, thanks to its user-friendly interface combined with the power of AI. 3. Jasper AI. Jasper is an AI-powered content creation platform that uses GPT-3 and GPT-4 models to help users generate high-quality text for marketing, social media, blogs, and more. This tool can automatically generate articles, product descriptions, and ads, improve writing by suggesting better phrasing or tone adjustments, assist with SEO content creation by providing keyword suggestions and optimizing articles for search engines. Jasper's ability to create compelling and persuasive content in seconds has made it a favorite for digital marketers and businesses looking to scale content production. 4. DALL-E to OpenAI. DALL-E 2 is a cutting-edge AI image generation model developed by OpenAI. It can generate unique and highly detailed images based on textual prompts, making it invaluable for graphic designers seeking quick visual concepts, artists who want to explore new creative ideas, businesses that need custom images for marketing or websites. DALL-E 2 has gained attention for its ability to create realistic, high-quality images from simple text descriptions, sparking creativity across industries like advertising, media, and entertainment. 5. MidJourney. MidJourney is another AI tool used for generating art from text prompts. Its strength lies in producing unique and artistic visuals with a distinct style that appeals to creative professionals, especially in concept art creation, graphic design, storyboarding, visual content for entertainment, or social media. MidJourney is known for its distinctive, almost dreamlike aesthetic, which has caught the interest of both professional artists and hobbyists alike. 6. Notion AI. Notion Labs. Notion AI is an AI-powered productivity tool that integrates seamlessly into Notion, the popular workspace and note-taking app. Some of its key AI features include automatic summarization of notes and documents, suggesting ideas and content when you're brainstorming, organizing and structuring your thoughts, plans, and tasks more effectively. Notion AI has transformed the way users manage their workflows, helping them stay productive by harnessing the power of artificial intelligence. 7. Runway ML. Runway ML is a platform designed for creative professionals, enabling them to harness machine learning for video, image, and audio editing. With Runway ML, users can edit videos and photos using AI tools, use AI models for image upscaling, style transfer, and background removal, create videos from scratch or edit existing content with machine learning-based tools. Runway ML is popular among filmmakers, video editors, and digital artists due to its ease of use and the transformative power of AI in creative projects. 8. DeepL Translator. DeepL is a highly accurate AI-powered translation tool that has gained widespread recognition for its ability to deliver translations with nuanced understanding and context. Unlike other translation tools, DeepL excels at translating text in multiple languages while maintaining high levels of fluency and accuracy, offering specialized translations for professional or technical fields, such as legal or medical terminology. For businesses and professionals working in multilingual environments, DeepL has become a vital tool for overcoming language barriers. 9. Pictory. Pictory is an AI video creation tool that helps users convert written content into engaging videos. By simply providing a script, users can automatically generate video content complete with voiceovers and visuals, create short-form videos optimized for social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Pictory simplifies the video creation process, making it accessible even to those with no prior video editing experience. 10. Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is an AI-driven video creation platform that allows users to turn blog posts, articles, or scripts into engaging video content. It uses natural language processing and LP2. Identify key points in a written text and match them with relevant visuals. Automate video editing, including scene transitions, text animations, and voiceovers. Lumen 5 is highly popular among marketers and content creators who need to quickly turn text-based content into video format for promotion or engagement. Conclusion: these AI tools have significantly impacted various industries, improving productivity, enhancing creativity, and making complex tasks more accessible to everyone, from beginners to professionals. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more powerful and specialized tools to emerge, further streamlining work processes and driving innovation. If you're interested in leveraging any of these AI tools for your own projects, there's never been a better time to explore them and integrate them into your workflow. Thank you for watching. I just wanted to take a moment to say how much I appreciate your time and support. Your views, likes, and comments mean the world to me and keep me motivated to create more amazing content for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends. Every bit of support helps this channel grow and allows me to bring you even better content in the future. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you once again for being a part of this journey. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video.